how to create the transparent, detailed, layered effect of these amaryllis petals. Hi, I'm Marie, and this is a quick overview of my Amaryllis watercolor tutorial, showing how I build up these delicate, detailed petals in layers. So the first layer is mapping out the areas of colour and the tonal value across each petal. And then I start to add in the veining, which creates the surface pattern across each one. You can also use the direction of the veining to indicate the curve of the petal. I let each layer of veining dry first before coming back in and laying a very light water glaze over the top again, or just dampening the petal really. And then I add another layer of detailing or veins to build on the one underneath. I keep the details very fine so that they can settle into the background layer and look very natural. By building the detailing up one layer at a time, it creates more depth on your painting and a three-dimensional effect as the details overlays the one beneath it. I also use a clean damp brush to help some of the patterns settle in a little smoother. And then I also build up the depth of colour in some places on the petal in layers as well, so that I get a smooth transition between the deep, rich red areas on the petal and the much lighter parts of it. If you'd like to paint the full tutorial, it's available inside the Watercolour Members Club. The link is below. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to keep up to date with my tips and technique videos and my new tutorials. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.